Hi everyone, I'm Liam. I'm a NetSuite consultant at Sky ERP, and today I'll be doing a quick video to explain the differences between Power BI and NSAW, and why NSAW would be the best solution if you are using NetSuite as your core ERP. So for most customers that want to go the Power BI route to start creating reports, there's often two routes that they use to create data sets. So export data from NetSuite to Power BI, and there's the ETL and there's the ODCB connectors. So there's further information in the blog post underneath, but we'll just use for now the ODCB logic, and I'll explain that briefly for you. So usually this is how it works. People would have NetSuite data, they would have a connector that connects to Power BI and then creates data sets, and then this data set is rather hosted locally or it's hosted on a server of your own. But what happened is that ODCB takes the data in a raw format, meaning it looks like this. So different tables that the backend of NetSuite uses to create the front end that you see, meaning that the simple request like sales order by customer, you would need to extract multiple tables to get that logic. So if you want to do that, you would need the customer table, you would need the sales order table, you would need the item table, and even sometimes the item line tables to get that whole logic in there. And that's just a very simple use case. And the core magic of NSAW is that this whole logic has been removed completely since it's owned by Oracle. They've already created this whole backend logic, meaning that all you have to do is within your NetSuite, you would have your NetSuite NSAW module, add a different subset of data from your system that you want to import in NSAW. And then once you transfer the data, which this is done automatically once per day, you would be able to immediately start create reports with it. So how it would look like for you, so if we go in Oracle Analytics, we look at the workbook, so we can look here, I have my company overview dashboard, and on the left side, we have these functional areas here. So in the last case, for example, sales order. So sales order, these are all the different subtables that you would be able to report on together without causing any like hurdle, technical problem or whatnot. So like I said, you would have customer, you would have the different, so if we go further down, the transaction attributes, in this case, these are line items, and stuff like that. So this means that the bottom line, you would be saving a lot of time to create reports, as of using the other approach with Power BI that really requires a lot of technical understanding and also a lot of manual labor to reach a point where your report would be created. So if you are interested in having more information about NSAW or understanding how to create charts and things like this, you can first of all subscribe to this channel, as we plan to release more videos on both the chart creation, on also how to extract data and all these types of things. And also you can simply reach out to us as well. We are an ERP consulting firm, so we have the skill set to really provide you further insight that perhaps this YouTube videos does not provide. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.